How to transfer GoDaddy domains to Hostinger. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you want to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger, first off, you're going to open up the domain that you want to transfer. So let's say my domain is thespencer.site. So I'm going to select this domain in my GoDaddy account. Once I do that, I'm going to click on domains on the left. From here, you're going to go into the domain settings for this. So you can just scroll down, and when you scroll down, you have the transfer option. You guys can see my domain lock is turned on. I'm going to unlock my domain. You guys can see by agreeing to unlocking your domains, this may allow unauthorized changes, including transferring to another registrar, which is what we are doing. So we're just going to unlock our domain. Once we unlock our domain, we're going to click on transfer to another registrar. And once we click on that over here, we're going to move on towards our next step. Now from here, we're just going to make sure our contact email is connected, verify the new DNS zone files will be set up, authorized, and then we're just going to click on continue. From here, we're going to move on towards the next step, which is the authorization code. So you can copy this to your clipboard, and there's another code that is sent to your email. So you're going to go into Hostinger and you're going to go into domains on the left, click on add new domain, and transfer an existing domain. From here, you're going to enter the domain. So my domain was thespencer.site. I'm pretty sure that was my domain, thespencer.site. And then I'm going to click on transfer over here. From here, I can go with my, proceed with my transfer, and I can click on purchase. There are certain fees and renewal prices that you do have to pay when you're switching registrars. And then all I have to do is paste this key that we just copied, and that is how you transfer your domain. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.